Hello guys, good morning all of you. I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. Okay, so in today's session we are going to discuss text function in Excel. So as you can see, I have already prepared the data set. So here we have certain names. I can see the unwanted space here in the name guys. So in that case, if you want to remove unwanted space, you have to use the trim function equals to trim, target, select this, enter, and simply have to drag it. It will apply to rest of them. Okay, same as you go for the upper equals to upper. So I select this. Upper means capital letter. It will convert all the text in capital letter. So again, simple drag it to apply to all. Again equals to lower. So type lower. Select the capital one. So more clear. Enter and simple drag it. You see all converted to small letter. What do you mean by proper? Proper like a Sachin S capital, right? And Kumar K capital. Rest of the small. So equals to proper tab it. Always place a tab. So opening bracket, it will come with this. I select this, close, enter. You see Sachin S capital, Kumar K capital, rest of the small. Again drag it, it will apply to rest of them. Left, suppose left hand side, how many digits you want to see. In that case, you have to use the left x function equals to left tab it. So see the text. Always remember guys, once you apply any formula in Excel, always read the parameter. Once you read the parameter, it will more clear to you. Like normally what happened, some student trying to like read the formulas, right? No, don't do that. Okay. Simple try to understand the parameters, what parameter saying. So see first parameter saying text. So I have to select the text, comma, separated. Second parameter, what is it? Number of character. I mean, how many number of character I want from the left hand side. Suppose I given 3, close the bracket, enter. So as you can see, Sachin SAC is coming out. If I drag this, so rest of all three digit will come out. Same as for the right equals to right, tab it. Again text, I will select the text, comma separator, number of characters, suppose I given 4. So right hand side I will get it 4. Simple drag it. So you can see from right hand side 4, text will out. Same as go for the mid equals to mid. So see text, start number, number of character. So first of all, select the text, comma, start number where you want to start. Suppose I put 1, so start from Sachin S, Ankit A. Suppose if I put 2, so Sachin A, so I just given 2. Number of character, I just want 3. Close the bracket, enter. Then you can see Sachin A, CH. You see, from second, the text will out. Again, simple target. Len equals to len. It will explain the number of length of the text. Suppose I select the length, text, enter. So you can see how many 12. Always also remember guys, like once you just going to the length, so length also count the blank space. Okay. So in blank space, what you have to do, you have to check it. Like sometime interviewer are also asking, is it support the blank space? Yes, it's also count the blank space also. Okay. So in that case, what you have to do, like I will simple drag it. Like I want to give another example here. Suppose I give an here hello dks, enter. So in that case, what you can see, I want to check the length equals to len, right? I select this, enter 9. But suppose I remove the space here, you can see what 8. So it's proof that the text function, len function count the blank space as well. Same as you go for the replace equals to replace. Okay, replace target old text. Select this, comma, start the number where from. Suppose I want to start from 1. Again, comma, number of characters. Suppose I want 3. Again, comma, new text. New text is double quotation. Suppose I give in dks. close the bracket, enter. So you can see dks replace. Replace is very simple. I want to replace and you want to put another text place of this. So you can see dks everywhere apply it. I want you to search. Search means you want to search a specific text here like A alphabets, B any particular. So equals to search. Search. See, find the text. I want to find, just suppose I want to find A. So it's a text, you have to give in double quotation. Within the text, obviously within text it will show. So I select the text. Start number, suppose I given 1. So as you can see, in searching as A. A in the which number? Second number. Right? Simple drag it, as you can see. So each of the name, where is A? Like in Pooja, you can see Pooja, A on the 5 number, Aman, A is a 1 number, right? So this is a way you can do this. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much, guys.